Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Enable low power mode now and lower screen brightness to about 30% to stop immediate drain. Turn off background app refresh for apps you do not need. This prevents apps from pulling data constantly. Once done, review location services and switch off for non-essential apps so the GPS isn't running in the background. These are fast, effective changes that cut baseline power use and set the stage for deeper optimization. Now you dig into app and connectivity habits. Change mail to fetch every 15 to 30 minutes, or manual, because push wakes the device frequently. Make sure you prefer Wi-Fi versus cellular when available, and set cellular data to 4G instead of 5G to reduce radio power. Limit which apps can send notifications, and quit battery-hungry apps after use. Background audio or location can persist. Once these are configured, your phone will spend more time idle and less time finish with maintenance. Enable optimized battery charging and check battery health. If capacity is below 80%, you may consider service. Keep iOS and apps updated because fixes often improve efficiency, and restart your iPhone weekly to clear errant processes. Make sure widgets, especially weather and news, are minimized. If you still see unusual drain, try resetting all settings. This preserves data while clearing misconfigurations. If problems persist after that, contact Apple support for a hardware check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.